Magic Hue Art. Hey everyone, welcome back to Magic Hue Art. Today we are drawing and coloring everyone's favorite cartoon dog, Bluey. Yes, that's right. We are drawing Bluey from absolute zero, blank paper all the way to finished colored artwork. And I want to remind you, I am not a professional artist. I am just a regular mom who loves drawing just like you. So if I can draw Bluey, you can absolutely draw Bluey too. Grab your pencil and paper, let's do this together. Are you ready? Let's go! a wrap, everyone. We drew and colored Bluey from scratch. Look at that, not bad for someone who is not a professional, right? Now I want to rate myself honestly. Drawing, I give myself 7 out of 10. Coloring, 8 out of 10. Now you rate me in the comments, be honest. Also tell me, do you love Bluey? Who is your favorite character, Bluey or Bingo? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss our next drawing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.